Good afternoon, everyone. This is Kip at Cool Rides in New England. Today we are at my mother's house getting a project. I think I may have said it earlier on the channel at one point that I was getting a motorcycle. It was my stepfather's. I've already done a little bit of cleaning, but tell you what I've done already. So this plate right here, see, the whole barn has been having some issues with settling, so this door was kind of stuck shut. It couldn't get past this plate, so I took that off. We'll clean some stuff out of the way. Some of the stuff sitting right here, and a few of the things to put back here, but this is it. This is 1980 Suzuki GS850. Kind of a cruiser bike. This has not been run in 20 years, probably 20 plus. And I'm trying to clean this all out, get this, maybe get this thing out of here, or at least so it's easier to get out. And then as soon as I can find a way to move it to its winter home so I can start doing the rebuilding, it will be leaving here. So I'm gonna find a decent place to set you down where you can watch me do some manual labor and see if we can even move it. Alright, so there's no real good place to set you down so that you can see me moving stuff, so I'm just gonna move some more stuff and then we'll video and see if we can get it moving. Alright guys, it didn't take a whole lot more to get out, so we're going to do a quick look at it. See, this bike's got just about 10,700 miles on it. It is Suzuki. Side panel's not there. Oh, none of that stuff's there. So there's, got some wind to contest with. There's the last time it was inspected. October, what's the year? I don't know. Over here, that's all the info on the bike back in there. You can see that. And it is at least I think it's the GS850. Alright, so here the bike is. I'm going to move to the entryway. Suzuki. I'm trying to find exactly where it says. Actually, it is actually a 850. I was born in the OZ 80. That was definitely year manufacturer. It's manufactured by Suzuki. And yeah, there it is, right up there. Let's see if we can get in nice and close there. GS850G. Right there. So, you guys will have to tune in once I get it out completely and get it to where I'm going to be rebuilding it. To see exactly what I'm going to do, but I can tell you windshield's going, the piece seat back, the cargo area, all that's going. Beyond that, we'll have to see what is needed with the bike before we get into anything else. More, open up the little cargo case here, and we got a tire pump, bike repair kit, visor, and what the hell? Oh, maybe communication for driver and passenger, maybe? The power had been left on this, so there is absolutely no way we can check to see if anything actually works. But electric start, got brake reservoir, ignition, choke, speedo and tach, turn signals, high beams, horn, clutch, brake. Of course, if you're a motorcycle guy, you already know all this. What the gas tank looks like. See if there's anything in there. I hope the hell not. Ah, shit. Well, there's one thing we're going to need. We are going to need a new gas tank, because that's just too much shit in there to even try and fix. And it needs a good, clean up all around. It's going to need new tires because these things are 20 plus years old. Brake calipers probably, front and back. Looks like it might need some brake work here. Looks like there's some fluid that's been leaking. Definitely needs some shit. Let's see. I see. There we go. Alright. Seat doesn't look too bad. Knows what the electronics are like on this. Alright, there you go. Project vehicle or thing. Not sure when the next installment of this will be. Gotta figure out a way to get it to Wilder. Guys at Northern Motorsports are going to help me out with some space so I can do this over the winter. And as soon as we get it moved, we'll have your next video. Thanks for watching.